Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to get free gym bucks in your GymKit accounts. You can get infinite gym bucks. Just follow this video step by step. Now let's go start. You need searching on discovery LOOK. As you can see, you need enter to this. Don't look down 2.0. I press enter, I entering and I playing live right now. It's loading, as you can see, loading. Good guys, now you need to copy this code, as you can see. I copied in a new tab. Good. Good, as you can see, I copied the code. As you can see, now you can exit on this and you need enter. I enter on the shop, and as you can see guys, I have 0 gym bucks right now. Now I open a new tab and I searching www.jetgofree.pro. As you can see, this is the official website, www.jetgofree.pro. I press enter and now it's loading. Okay guys, now as you can see, GymKit events offer gym bucks. Now you choose how much gym bucks do you want. I select I select 50,000 gym bucks. GymKit game code. Now you need to enter this code, as you can see. Okay guys, I enter in the code and I press generate. Now guys, it's loading, and as you can see, generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. You can close this. I copy the code. Good. Now it's loading guys. As you can see, here is website status online, last update 2 days ago, online user, total user. Oh my god guys, holy shit, this is the users, total user. Okay, recent activity, as you can see, this person is desktop, this person is Android, this person is it's work on any device, but I'll be recommending to use your computers. As you can see, this person received 100 gym bucks. Oh my god guys, another person use Android. As you can see, I received this gym box. Okay, now we sending results. It's almost down. How doesn't this event work? Remember, comments, you can check the comments guys. Voting. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my code, is connected. Now resource is ready, transfer to user. It's almost down guys, it's almost down. You don't like a Roblox, please verify that you're human. Click the verify button below and follow the instructions. Okay guys, I press verify now. Okay, sponsor content. To keep everything free, you ask to install one free app or offers. Okay, Gymbox will be automatically sent to your account. Okay guys, as you can see, you need to complete one of these offers. Okay, I select this. You need to follow this instruction. As you can see, 0 of 1 offers completed. Now guys, as you can see, I need to send the CMC to this number. Okay, 0 of 1 offers completed. I don't receive my gym box. Now I send the CMC and I'll be back, because I can send the CMC guys and record it at the same time. But stay here guys, I'll be back. Guys, I am back. I send the CMC. Now I return on this sponsor content to check. And as you can see guys, 1 of 1 offers completed. I finished these offers. Now you can close all tabs. Oh my god guys, as you can see, in my accounts I received the gym box. Okay, what the fuck guys. Wow guys, it's working. As you can see, just follow this video step by step to collect on the gym box events.